Mr. A used leftover to make a lunchbox for Shin-chan, but it looked really nice. Let's make that lunchbox but in adapted version. Let's prepare water for cooking rice. I add sake, mirin, soy sauce, and dashi powder. Pour in water. Because there are other side dishes, I season it lightly. Now I pour the seasoned water over the rice and see you again in half an hour. Next, let's add your favorite mushrooms. I love combine different types for a delightful texture. Start with high heat until it boils and then decrease to low. After 20 minutes, add butter and spring onions. For the first side dish, I make a mushroom salad. I saute the mushrooms until they are soft and season them with soy sauce, sesame oil, vinegar, and honey. To add some color to this box, I choose shrimps. In the same pan, I stir-fry the shrimp with garlic and season with pepper and salt because they got some seasoning from previous cook already. Let's combine everything together. I like the various textures in this meal. It is so good.